Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So today we are doing a really requested video for you guys, and it is tie-dyeing a bunch of different type of clothes. Good morning. So I wanted to ask you guys, for my next video, do you want to see a luxury haul of items I bought online, or do you want to see me tie-dye a bunch of different clothes? So we're so excited because I haven't tie-dyed before. Have you?
No, I haven't. So
stay tuned to see how everything turns out, and let's get on with this video. So we have a lot of different clothes. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I got these really cute pink biker shorts, and I'm also going to tie-dye this Newport sweater with white tie-dye, and then we got a bunch of different shirts. So let's see how this goes. So the first thing that I saw on TikTok is that you have to soak your clothes first in water. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so now that they're somewhat damp, we're going to put it down and kind of wrinkle it up so we can put the tie-dye. So I wrinkled it up like this. And then we got rubber bands. Okay, so this is what mine looks like, and now it's ready for the dye.
Here's mine.
And here's Stavros. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in there. Okay, so he switched his shirt to the black one, so we can both do the bleach first on it.
I think mine's gonna come out better.
I don't think so. And so he's putting all the rubber bands on.
Comment down below who's gonna make the best shirts, me or Aubrey.
Yeah. This is how mine looks, and on the back, looks good. Okay.
Here's mine.
And there's how his looks. Okay, so we have the bleach in here, and we're gonna just put it like that. It's kind of hard to tell because it's pink. And then we're gonna flip it over.
Go ahead.
Well, bleach isn't supposed to touch your skin. Now we're gonna do this side, and I left the tag on it.
Yo, I thought you could already tell.
Okay, so now we're gonna let these sit, and we're gonna move on to do orange. I know, yours is already going.
Yours is going white?
I know, I wanted to go a little more white. Okay, so the directions on the dye, we're using Rit dye, and this is in tangerine color, and it says
just put it on.
Pre-wash fabric to remove any finishes. The directions say to shake it really good, so that's what he's doing. And then we're gonna put it in here, and we're gonna test the color with some hot water and see how it turns out. It looks like a fruit punch drink. Like, most people start from the center, but I don't like how it's like a circle, so I'm gonna start from the edges and just start crinkling it.
Guys, look at these rubber bands. Look how big these are.
It looks like this. Okay. Okay, so this is what they look like so far. I kind of wanted more of like a light orange, so I did mine a little bit lighter than Stavros, but looks pretty good. The pink is not taking to the bleach at all, like only a little bit. So we'll see how they turn out. Next, we're going to do blue. Okay, so now we are going to put blue in this one, and again, I kind of want a light blue, kind of like this color. So let's see how it turns out.
That's what I have so far. Trying to do like a neck color. Hopefully it comes out good.
Let's try. Looks pretty good. Okay guys, so it turned out like this blue color, which is kind of pretty. I'm hoping it fades out just a little bit more once we put it in the washer, but we'll see how this goes. I don't want to miss any spots, and now we just let it sit. Final one that I'm going to do is this Newport sweater, and it's one of my favorite sweaters, and so let's see how this goes. But I'm gonna do it with the bleach one, and hopefully it turns out pretty good.
One of my hats, one of my favorite hats, Brixton. Let's see how it comes out.
I think it'll look pretty cool. For some reason mine has legs. Okay. So I finished the sweater was a lot harder than I thought because it's so much fabric. But I finished and it looks like this. It looks like it has legs. So now we're gonna dye it with bleach. Some of it's already turning the color too. Ooh, this looks really cool. It's like a lighter purple, and I'm gonna wait and to show you guys the finished look at the end. Let's get the back. We just finished tie-dyeing, and now we have to wait a little bit, and then we'll show you guys the results, but this is what it looks like right now.
I would say black.
Okay, so this is how the light blue one turned out, and it looks really good. And so now we just have to wash it. We already rinsed it out, but I like the color of it so far. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video because it was so much fun to make for us. And if you're wondering about the bright neon pink biker shorts that I tie-dyed and I thought it would come out like a bunch of white, it was such a fail. They came out like this. And the weird thing is they have like these random holes, like the bleach. I don't know what happened, but they're pretty much ruined, and they're not even like white. They're like still pink. I thought it would be like this, exactly like this, but no. It just was a total fail. So comment down below, what is your favorite thing that I tie-dyed today? This sweater is my favorite. I did not expect for it to come out this cool. Like the original color with this blue, especially with the pink. I don't even know where the pink came from, but it looks so cute. Like I really enjoyed this one, and I was worried about it the most because, like I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, this is one of my favorite sweaters because it's so comfy and just oversized, but I love it even more than what I did at the very beginning of this video. It just looks so much better. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!